Hey guys, it's mcfixit here. I have a 2007 Honda Odyssey, but this should work for pretty much all Honda Odysseys. We have this rear wiper blade that it has seen its last days, and so we do want to go ahead and take this off and replace it. It is peeling up all over the place. So I'm going to teach you how to take it off and put a new wiper blade on it. The tools you're going to need for this is simply your hands and the correct size wiper blade. You want to get a R16-2 with the Rain-X. There's a couple other ones. This has a special little piece that goes on there that normal 16-inch blades do not carry. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and open this up all the way. We'll go ahead and rotate this to the side. And once it's like this, we're going to go ahead and kind of push it forward and just slide it off. This is much thicker slot here than your normal 16-inch. And you can see the blade was falling apart on both sides. These things do not last forever, so this is a pretty quick and easy fix. We'll go ahead and pull out our new blade here. So in the bottom of the container comes with a couple of extra pieces. We are going to need to go ahead and pop this piece out and put in the piece with the thicker size. And so just slide that in, pop that down into place. We'll go ahead and put this in and slide it back. Go ahead and stick that down on there. You can see that is fully seated properly. You can go ahead and double check it, move it around. That right there looks good. Let's go ahead and test it out. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the fluid and the blade and let it go a couple of times. That should give you a nice clean look. So just with a simple correct rear wiper blade and just a few moments of your time, you can go ahead and get this put on there and worked really well. Nice clean wipe back and forth, and pretty simple project you can do yourself. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment section below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you've not done so. Yes, you can see more of my videos that'll be coming out soon. Hope you have a great rest of your day.